Mr. Mittal, I understand that ArcelorMittal is invested in 2 mines in Odisha, and also you put in bids for SR plant in Paradip. I'm very happy to hear this.
So you have a great experience and you have managed COVID crisis very well, Honorable Chief Minister, which is good news. And we already have 2,000 crores of investment planned in Odisha, which is already going on. The support of your administration, your people, and yourselves and your guidance. And it so happened that if we could not produce in Hajira at a full production, we could produce in Odisha and could export pellets. So what I would like that we have a lot of ideas to continue our expansion in Paradip, in Odisha. We are working on the 2 mines, Sagashai and Thakurani. So these mines, one mine we got it in the auction, which was organized very well. So I see that this auction process which you have designed is one of the best auction process. People have seen the transparency in the governance. That is the most important thing, which as a international company, we see this as very important for us.
Thank you, Mr. Mittal. Thank you very much. We're here to support you in every way. The Chief Minister's office will interact with your officers so that the project makes a headway very soon.